This is the new Hubba Hubba LT. Airy, lightweight, and super livable. It has features you'll love and the durable performance you need for years of adventures. The roll-top stuff sack makes getting the tent in and out easy and fast, perfect for packing up quick in bad weather. For spacious solo camping or sheltering up to 4 people, the Hubba Hubba LT is available in 1, 2, and 3-person models. Each size is incredibly spacious, thanks to lofty headroom and the true rectangular floor, which also eliminates rectangular sleeping pad overlap. The Hubba Hubba LT can accommodate modern wide sleeping pads with ease. The 3-person can double as a 4-person, thanks to the generous floor plan that lets you lay out 3 sleeping pads widthwise, or 4 pads lengthwise. The tent body is mostly micro mesh for superior breathability, minimizing condensation while protecting from pesky insects and providing peak stargazing on clear nights. The floor, mesh, and rainfly are all solution dyed, meaning they use pre-dyed fibers to minimize the water and energy required to color the fabric. Using solution dyed fabrics reduces carbon emissions by at least 80% compared to our previous fabrics. Strong and light DAC NFL poles stand up to variable weather conditions. The symmetrical design makes setup super easy. Upgraded all-metal corner hardware and included mini groundhog tent stakes are easy to use, super durable, and keep the tent secure. The no-curve door design shaves weight and improves durability. And you'll always know where the zippers are for easy late-night in and out. The Rainfly features easy entry and exit vestibule doors with stay-dry rain gutters to catch drips. Upgraded fly vents increase the already substantial ventilation. Spacious vestibules offer ample space for storing gear. If the forecast isn't cooperating, the PFAS-free water-repellent fly-in floors and tape seams provide reliable, durable weather protection so you can wait out the rain in comfort. Reinforced patches and stitching at guy points add extra stability in windy conditions. For ease of charging and keeping your devices organized, the Hubba Hubba LT has cable ports on all pockets. There are also large gear lofts for overhead storage, and an included clothesline for hang-drying wet gear and clothes. Made for maximum airflow, livability, and comfort, the Hubba Hubba LT is your new favorite backcountry home away from home.